Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. The studio is set to be Apple TV Plus's next big hit after the conclusion of Severance. Severance Season 2 recently wrapped up, and Apple TV Plus is already ready with another exciting series to keep viewers entertained. They've been really focusing on sci-fi with shows like Severance, Silo, and For All Mankind, but they also have a knack for comedy. Ted Lasso has been a huge success for them, and they have other comedies like Shrinking and Bad Monkey. The studio is a comedy co-created and starring Seth Rogen. It's about a big shot film producer who's struggling with a lot of changes. The show has a 98% rating on Rotten Tomatoes, and it's getting rave reviews. The studio gives us a look behind the curtain of Hollywood, exploring the different personalities and debates that go on. You'll see real actors and directors playing themselves. Think of Bryan Cranston as the studio's shady CEO, or even Adam Scott from Severance popping up. The show even pokes fun at itself and Severance, which is a clever way to acknowledge its own success. It's a lighthearted and entertaining take on Hollywood, and it's sure to be a hit with viewers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.